Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products for every enthusiast. Today, we're going to talk about something special for all the Pokemon fans out there, the best Rowlet Pokemon Card. The Decidueye 008-072 from Shining Fates, part of an exclusive Pokemon Evolution 3 card lot. If you're a collector or just someone who loves to catch 'em all, this card is definitely one you'll want to add to your collection. This is no ordinary card. It's part of the Shining Fates expansion, which is known for its unique and sought-after shiny cards. The Decidueye 008-072 is particularly special, featuring vibrant artwork and a powerful evolutionary line, starting from the beloved Rowlet, evolving into Dartrix, and finally reaching the majestic Decidueye. What makes this lot even more exciting is that it includes not only the Decidueye card but also its two pre-evolutions, Dartrix and Rowlet. This trio offers a complete evolution sequence, making it a great pick for both collectors and players. Whether you want to keep these cards in pristine condition or use them in your next battle, this lot has got you covered. The artwork on these cards is nothing short of stunning. Rowlet, with its cute and round appearance, gives way to the elegant Dartrix, and finally, Decidueye steps in as a formidable, ghostly archer. The glossy finish on these cards adds to the overall allure, with certain versions even featuring a reverse foil, making them that much rarer and visually striking. At a price of just $7.91, this is an affordable option for any Pokemon card collector. Even though the quantity is limited, with only one left in stock, you won't want to miss out on securing this trio before it's gone. Plus, it ships directly from Amazon, ensuring reliability and quick delivery. The Decidueye card itself brings impressive gameplay potential. As a ghost, grass-type Pokemon, Decidueye has a strong presence on the battlefield. With a mix of offensive and defensive moves, it can serve as both a powerful attacker and a strategic defender in your deck. If you're someone who enjoys competitive Pokemon trading card game battles, this Evolution 3 card lot could be just what you need to level up your strategy. Another bonus is the versatility of the cards. Not only do they fit seamlessly into most collections, but they're also perfect for anyone looking to trade or engage in battles with friends. The high-quality printing and materials ensure that these cards will last for years, maintaining their value and beauty. Before you go, remember that this lot is returnable until January 31, 2025, which gives you ample time to decide if it's the right addition to your Pokemon collection. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned collector, these cards are a must-have. So, if you're looking for the best Rowlet Pokemon card and want to add an exciting, complete evolution trio to your collection, the Decidueye 008-072 Shining Fates Evolution 3 card lot is the way to go. Head over to Amazon, grab it while it's still in stock, and make your collection stand out. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and Pokemon insights. See you next time.